Once you've downloaded the zip file and unzipped it, you can start a new project in ArcGIS Pro. I'm going to go ahead and add a new map by clicking on the New Map button. And then I'm going to use Arc Catalog to browse to the location of my zipped file. So I'm in Arc Catalog. You would want to go ahead and create a folder connection to the location where you unzipped your file. Once you browse to that folder location, you'll be able to see all of your installation files that you've created from that zip file, and then you'll see the SBAS2020 PYT file, which will be your toolbox that we'll be using for this training.